everyone. You're welcome to today's Voice of Child session. Good morning to you, good afternoon, evening, wherever you're watching from all over the world. You're welcome once again. Today is going to be exciting. I have really good stuff to share with you. Of course, on Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin is currently giving us what I would call a Red Friday or Black Friday, whatever. Siacoin, Audius, ANKR, BAT, Graph, and some other review of the previous chart we looked at. By the way, my name is CLINTON ONOS from Market Salam. As always, Market Salam is here to help you make sense of your trading and investing. If this is the first time you've seen this channel, you're welcome, friends. Please smash the like button for me, subscribe to this channel, of course, turn on the notification bell to get all important information absolutely free. Please also feel free to share with your friends, family, neighbor, whatever, whoever. Let them know that we are live and today's session is going to be awesome. Without wasting much of our time further, let's go straight. But just let me know, let me inform you, right? Nothing you find in this streaming should be interpreted as financial, legal, or tax advice. Please always do your own research. Okay, what else? What do we have here? Yes, there's no point reviewing Bitcoin for now. Let's review Ethereum, right? Yesterday, while this broke up, right? Is it broke up? Sorry. Why this broke out, I told you guys that the next candle is going to determine if this is a fake card or a real breakout. Of course, you can see for yourself, the next candle obviously shows that this breakout is not legit, right? That will lead us to adjusting our trend line further, right? We hope that the price will come around this level to come test this. If we find support, right, it's going to be good, right? Of course, you guys know what it is, right? The price can also find support around this green, what's it called, around 3,900, right? The target is still very much intact, 7 to 8,000. So there's really no need for 7 to 9,000, right? So there's really no need for us to panic. It's price action. That is how the price moves, right? Of course, as Infinity also giving us a Black Friday discount, right? Of course, you can see. I told you also yesterday that if this session, if it breaks out of okay, yeah, I told you yesterday that this is a what's it called, a higher low to look out for. That is the structure. If it breaks, turn bearish, and of course it broke, it went back. Probably who knows what it went to do there. Now it has broken below the structure again. So I already map out levels to look out for here. So let's map up. Let's take a look at this level very critically, 95.78 region for a possible move back, or of course the price can find support around this trade region and move further. Of course, the target is still 260 thereabout. Then H bar, yesterday I told you H bar is a good one, right? Told you H bar is a good one to look out for. Then I gave you scenario, right? Of course, you can see one of our viewers yesterday asked question about H bar. I gave him the likely scenario here. This is how the price in my likely move, come down, give us a W around this trend line, move up, or go down, go up, come down to this level, move up. You know, at the moment the price has chosen this direction as its is preferred movement. Of course, you can find support around this level or around this level. So whatever it is, you can dollar cost average. This is the track the price is currently moving with. All right, let's take pancake, right? I also told you pancake is a good one, right? For all those who bought here, I thought it was going to go smoothly from this way. Of course, there's no cause for alarm at all. There's still, despite the price going down, you can see very clearly that the momentum, I don't know if you can see this, probably my camera is blocking, right? My camera blocking this. Come on, don't do this now. All right, you can see, right? Right, you can see this, right? Okay. I think I'll have to change this to white in next session. I think white is better, right? I'll have to change it to white to see. Okay, right? When it was there, the momentum is there, right? When it came down, the momentum dropped. It has come down further. The momentum is still not encouraging compared to this. So we can clearly see divergence forming, and it looks like the price is already making its way back to the channel it was working with. Of course, if that forms a bottom, we can adjust our new walkway, right? Our new track to this way like this, right? So it's price action. That's the way it is. But notwithstanding, cake is a good one, right? It's gonna do really good, friends. So if you had bought yesterday, you'll be back, you would have been done. You'll be done around 10% or thereabout. That's not bad. That does not mean it's gonna go really deep, right? At least you still have a lot of upward potential anytime soon. All right, that's it for the review. Let's quickly take a look at Bitcoin. That takes a lot of time. We aren't going to take too much time in a particular chart today. Please share with friends, family, neighbor. If you have any question, comment section, let me know what's up, right? Aka Shama, good to see you. Good to see you again. Good to see you again. Of course, I will take a look at you're always funny. It's not going to fall like water, but it's support around 3,900, as you said, is good, right? Of course, I'll check Phantom status later. All right, thanks. I appreciate your time. Thanks for dropping by. All right, so Bitcoin, I told you guys to watch out for. Initially, Bitcoin was deceiving us that is making a double bottom. But fortunately, it took out all the liquidity that rested around this double bottom. Sorry guys, if you are trading option, we are trading margin futures, this obviously took you out, right? And of course, those who were live, I told you this is a trend to watch out for. If this breaks, it's going to come down. Of course, you can see for yourself, it broke the trend line. If it's going to go up, it's not going to break this trend line, right? It's not. Even if you touch the trend line, if the trend line is going to form as support, it's going to bounce back. So it broke it. So as you can see for yourself, friends, as support around 52k is most likely, right? I'm still looking for this level, right? I'm looking for this level, so this level, right? So that's what I'm looking at. The structure, the long-term structure is here, right? If we assume this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, right? This is wave 1 of theory. Of course, this whole wave is a retracement, right? Can go deep to this level, then move up. So there's really nothing to worry about. Don't go panic. I don't think it's necessary to sell, except you're already in profit or you are trading short term. You can take out some profit and wait for a rebuy if necessary, right? Please share with friends, family, neighbor, whatever. I appreciate your time. All right, what we're looking at, Siacoin, right? Siacoin. Looking at Siacoin, right? I decided to bring up this kind of unpopular coins today, so you will know what's up, right? You will know what's up. Follow the money. Follow where the money is, right? Follow where the money is. At the moment, these are the kind of stuff you should be looking for. Accumulation is currently going on here, right? Yeah, right? Because you guys know what it is, right? If I show you details in the volume, it will further confirm this assertion. And of course, you can clearly see the MACD. This whole region is this whole movement, as you can see, is accumulating, right? This can be classified as retracement also, right? This whole whatever, right? Let me be specific. This whole stuff is accumulating, right? More after this. If I'll just play, okay, let me assume this is automatic retracement after this downward move, after a lot of buyers came in here, came here, retreat. It went up, it retraced. Of course, they are currently supporting their positions, right? This is evident in the volume. You can see, right? You can see the volumes, right? The volumes, right? On the up bars, the volumes are huge, right? They are accumulating really good. So, friends, this is the kind of stuff you should be looking out for, not stuff that has gone too far. Siacoin is a nice project. They are into storage. So storage is one of the biggest problems in the industry. So if a project is offering a solution, you can bet the project is going to do well if, of course, they meet up with their so I'm seeing a 1 cent for Siacoin, of course, 2 cents also for Siacoin, 2 cents also for Siacoin, right? That's kind of long-term, right? Long-term, right? So if you want to take a look at the short term, I take this. The short term is around. Let me take this swing from swing low to swing high, right? The short term is around the previous high, right? This target, of course, they might just likely push it up. Let me take out this long term, so we have a clear view, right? Here around this level, okay. They might likely push it up here before retracing. After retracing, then it will go back to, it will go up to this target, right, before major retracement, if any. So Siacoin is good, right? Let what else is there? Siacoin is good. If I am to estimate in approximately the number of percent, Siacoin might likely move from this current level, right, around 171%. Because if it moves to the next target, right? So this is a good stuff for you guys, right? A good stuff for you guys around 200%. Take a look at stuff like this. It's a good one, right? Audio. Last time I told some guys that audio is going to retrace back. They thought I was probably insane, right? They never believe. We retail traders, we never believe this stuff retrace. When you tell them about retracement, they think you probably don't, you want them to miss an opportunity also. They were here, they were in denial, they never believe it's going to retrace. They were here in denial, they never believe it's going to retrace, because they were deceived for this up move. Someone took a lot of profit here because it's currently reaccumulating for a big push, right? Of course, this can also be, I think this is a, can I say this is accumulator? Of course, it looks like, I think it is, right? I think it is. It's reaccumulating for a further push up. So you should watch out for this, right? Watch out for $10 region for a target, right? Watch out for $10. Watch out for $14 plus or $13 plus region. So it's a good one also to pick, right? At least it has discounted. It has discounted 61%. Of course, another level for discount you should be looking out for, since you already rejected this region. This one is a good level to also watch out for a buy, right? this is price action, so you cannot get a definite price point, right? As the price give us more details, then work with it. I'm just giving you a likely scenario of how the price might likely, work out, right? Because this already broke this retest, so it might likely not come down here. Of course it can also just come on to stuff like this, move around this trend line before a push up. And if I want to go details, I'll have to go look at the structure. The structure obviously is bullish, right? So that is no doubt is bullish, right? Until there's a flip. This is the low, so before it's going to flip this long-term structure, it's going to take a lot of time, so I don't think that's likely. All right, that's that. What's this ANKR? What's the full meaning? Who knows? It won't look good, right? It looks like what's going to go really far, right, from what it's currently doing. So a lot of accumulation took place here. You can see, right? Okay. Do I have enough time? Can I spend some time here? Right? Look to your left. You'll see there's a previous resistance level. Yesterday I told you guys, according to the VSA folks, the only time you need a high volume, right, when the price is going up really fast, is when there is a level to the left that the price needs to walk through, right? It needs a significant volume to mitigate all the stress pressure here. That's why you see a huge volume, there's a push, right? Fortunately, these guys here, they are very strong. That's why you see the barring close very healthy. It closed close to its low, the next bar close to the middle, of course the following bar. Now there is a difference. If you look critically, if you understand the volume spread analysis, you can obviously read this. Unlike when you see the market at the top, when this bar close off its low, the next bar is down, the following bar is down. That's the beginning of a distribution. At this moment, you see the price is working its way up. All those who accumulated here, they pressured it up. Of course, they are reaccumulating. You can clearly see another pressure here. By tomorrow, we will know if this is a daily bar, right? So by tomorrow, we'll know what's up with this, right? Obviously, this is a reaccumulation, right, supporting this previous one. So this is a good one for you guys to look out for, right? A really good one, right? I decided to bring out stuff that are good today, so you guys don't go buying what is already taking profit, right? Don't do that. All right. So this is the 0.5, 0.7 is a good one, right, to look out for. Basic attention. This level obviously is a very strong level to push, coupled with the fact that it's Black Friday, right? Black Friday. Why did you have to go to your previous high on a Black Friday? That wasn't a calculated move at all, right? It's not. This explains what's going on here, right? Of course, the movement is healthy. You can tell from the yesterday bar, but obviously the sell pressure around this level is huge. So it's going to really take a lot of time to work out these guys, right? So notwithstanding, if you look at it from another perspective, that point is also a take profit for the niggas who saw the future, right? This is what I've been telling you guys. For those who care to listen, as you can see, those who saw the future, right, from this spring low to this spring low to this spring high, right? You can see the previous high coincide. One of our sessions, I told you this is a region to look out for, not a particular price point. You can see very clearly the price is rejecting around the 6 point 0.18 region, right? Profit taking. Those who saw the future, right, that bought way low when it retraced, when nobody wanted to buy, when nobody thought it's dead, when nobody thought it's going to work out, when nobody don't want to get don't want to associate with bad. A lot of guys saw the potential in bad. They took the opportunity. They accumulated a whole way here. They waited all through this, waited for this retracement. Probably they rebought again. They waited for this push. And of course, you can see the other target is here, right? So that is not to say, for me, I don't think we'll have to wait for the candle to close, the bar to close today, right? I feel that they've not taken the whole of the profit yet, right? I think they've not taken the whole of the profit yet. I think the Black Friday effect is affecting the stuff here, right? But if you take a critical look, right, it's take a critical look after the up, the next buy is done, right? That's a signal for distribution, right? A signal for distribution. It might just be a mini seller for those who saw the future here and they wanted to take some profit for Thanksgiving. So, all right, that's it. Notwithstanding, but it's still good, right? It's still good. So what you might be looking at for at the moment is since it's already retracing, right? Let me take out some of this stuff so you see clearly. Since is already retracing, you can take. Let me just point out you can imagine the number of time it took to work out this, right? From May to November, right? To give you this, right? It took a lot of time, right? Of course, nobody want to. We don't want to be affiliated with stuff like this, right? That's why they just jump in when the price is already here. I bet you a lot of people bought here. I bet you a lot of people bought here. A lot of people are still going to buy here, right? Of course, there must be a buyer there must be a buyer for a seller now. So the guys here, they need people to take this this position, the other side of the position, right? So that's why it's a market. That's why it's trading, investing, or whatever, right? Someone has to be on the wrong side of the trade. So, but hopefully, I don't want you guys to be on the wrong side of trade, right? I want to always be on the right side. All right, guys, if you have any question, let me know, right? I'll go to Q&A session shortly. I appreciate your time. I appreciate what you do, helping us grow this channel. You means a lot to us, to me, and everybody, the future team of Markets Alarm. We are going to build a team very soon that will be covering a whole lot of subjects. Forex, right? I do trade Forex, right? Well, I don't have the whole time, right? It's really not easy starting this stuff, right? So you can understand the pressure of me, right? So we have a team that some will be focusing on stocks, Forex, and of course, if necessary, any other market, right? Why I brought that graph is for you to understand, right? Those who are currently profiting from BAT, right? This was what they went through, right? They went through all this, right? So, friend, if you have a spare money, the money you can afford to lose, that you don't need anytime soon, go for this. It's not a financial advice, but go for these stuffs, right? It might not really require you putting much. Just put it spot. Don't go trading what is it called? Margin, future, whatever you guys call it. I'm not interested in those kind of risk, right? My risk appetite is very low, so I try as much as possible to limit it, right? So go for stuff like this. Dollar cost average this, even if it didn't go very high, if it goes back to its previous high, that's $2. That's a lot. That's a lot for you. That's how you grow wealth. You can't grow wealth. I don't know if there's any method guys use to grow wealth overnight, right? I don't know if there's any method you use to grow wealth overnight, right? Those who benefited from Shiba Inu saw the future ahead of time, right? Probably I will talk about Shiba Inu before we close. Those who are benefiting, let me repeat this. Those who benefited from Shiba Inu, they saw the future ahead of time, right? The ways that bought billions of Shiba Inu is fortunate because he has a lot of money, he has the moving power to pressure the price up, right? For a lot of us that does not have that capacity to move the price, we can only be patient and watch out for when these guys are likely to move the price higher. That's how you make money. Or is there any other way, right? Obviously, the niggas who bought here, this is what I keep. The fact, this is what this two channel is all about. Don't go do this. Don't go do this. Don't go do this. The niggas who did this, I'm very sure they couldn't wait for this. They probably sold that here, sold that here, sold that here. That's if they have anything left, right? Probably you have to take a look at. I have it on my board here. You guys can't see it. Psychology of the market structure. Google it and study it. It works. It works. The whole market cycle works around this what's it called? The psychology of the market structure, right? These guys, they are frustrated. They will say a lot of things about cryptocurrencies, that cryptocurrencies is scam. This, notwithstanding, there are projects that there are a lot of shit coins everywhere here and there. I wouldn't want you guys to go do stuff like that also, right? Please focus on good stuff, right? Focus on good stuff, right? So what I'm saying is now is an opportunity for you. It's an opportunity again for you, right? The small guys like us would have enough cash, right? If it's $100, you're able to $50, $100, right? This is the stuff to buy. You buy here, $100 after some time, right? It's free money for you. If you double that, that's a $150. 150. If you move to the target, you're going to get you move to the target, you're going to get that's 700%, right? That's about 350 or thereabout, right? You've made 700% of your $50 investment, right? That's huge. Then what you do when you get there, you sell off, at least take out your profit. You can leave the initial investment, you take out your profit, you go look out for something like this again. You buy, over time, you just grow your portfolio, right? Do this. You will be glad you did. Do this. Do stuff like this. If it's $100, you put $100, that's $700. Already take out 600, leave the $100, go for stuff that that is currently accumulating. Go put it, at least you can, don't put the whole, you can put maybe 200, 400, 300, that one grows the gain. You take out your profit, you go look for a project that is currently accumulating, you buy. They are everywhere. Projects that are accumulating are everywhere. Good projects, right? It's better than go doing this. It's better than doing this. Do this. Do this. Do it when nobody wants to do it. That's the essence. Do it when nobody wants to do it. Buy the fears, right? That's what Warren Buffett said, right? Buy the fears. Buy when everybody is fearful, and sell when everybody is greedy, right? This is the place, this is the region where everybody is greedy. Everybody is greedy at this level. The white guys, they sold off, right? Now they are fearful here. They think this stuff is dead, right? They bought. The smart guys. Now it's currently here. Everybody wants to be greedy, right? The guys are selling. They will come here when everybody is frustrated again. They've given up. They will buy again. That is how it moves. That's how it works. right? So guys, look out for stuff like this. Okay, you're going to benefit a lot from this, right? So guys, look out for the ultimate target is $7. So if you can be patient enough, you go do that, you're going to get a lot of money, right? In a few months time, probably 6 to 4 months or so, right? You're going to get a lot of money. It can happen within a month. You can't tell. It can happen within a month, right? Is that possible? Of course. It can happen this month, it can happen next month. I can't say when it's going to happen. When it's going to happen depends on a lot of factors, right? A lot of factors like a news, one way buying a huge amount of graph, a lot. The project raising funds, they are improving their blockchain, new features, a lot of good news, fundamental side of it that will support this movement, right? But before those stuff like this happens, right? This is what you take advantage of, right? Like how many days did this take to go up? Let's just measure it. Okay, let's start from this, right? On a daily chart, this takes a month, right? 33 days to move 900%. 33 days to move 900%, right? So I don't want to go making you have too much hope. That's why you need to use money that is spare, that you don't need urgently. Go use it to do this stuff, right? Okay, now if you do this stuff, like I said, not a financial advice, probably in the next 13 days, you can have 600%. Nobody says it cannot happen. It can. Look at the number of days this took to happen, 33 days. And look at the number of days this might likely take to happen, 37 days. I'm not saying it's going to take 37 days, but there's a possibility it will take less than 4 months, right? But think long term, right? I'm talking too much again. Each time, probably I will go looking for a preacher job, right? I think I talk too much, right? That's because I'm passionate about this. I don't want you guys to go making the mistake I made when I started this this whole cryptocurrency stuff, right? I made a lot of mistakes. I was doing stuff like this. I realized man, it's not an experience to to share with joy, right? But guys, don't go do this. It's not good stuff for you to do. All right, friends. For this question and answer, let me go pull out FMT for Akash. Akash wants us to look at FMT again. Okay, Phantom, right? All right, the last time we looked at Phantom, right? Okay, there's really not much. It's still within what can you record the last time we looked at this? Akash, last time we looked at this, well, I think the price was around here, right? Was it around here? I think it was here. I can't recall. I think it was here, right? Yeah, I think it was here. You found support here. It move up, currently discounting, right? To engineer more liquidity. I told you this is a region to watch out for. I told you the price might find support here. Of course, it did. I don't know. I can't record the day, right? But I think I don't know. I told you. Well, this might likely be the movement of the price, right? I think this is a simple. I think Phantom is good, right? I think Phantom project is good. Why I think this looks like a simple retracement. That's what I think. Except Bitcoin collapses, right? If Bitcoin did not, right? This just it's like a simple regular zigzag retracement, right? ABC, right? And one, right? Okay. So this is 1, 2, first, no. Okay, completed circle, 1, 2, 3. 3, of course, can be the shortest. This is the wave 2 of 1 of 3, right? What I mean is a mini wave, right? Please. What I mean is a wave within wave, right? What I'm saying is if this is a completed circle, right? I assume this is completed. This is completed, obviously. Accumulation took place here, right? Distribution took place here that discounted the price for number 2, right? If that's correct, if the assumption is correct, then this is 1, this is 2, then this is not 3. 3 should be here, right? Then 4 should be I'm just putting it anywhere, right? Usually I will need a fib to guess the level, right? Okay, 3 should be here, 4 should be here, then 5 4 should go down, 3 can be here around this level, 4 should be here, and 5 will be around this second target or thereabout, right? Then what I'm saying is this is 1 again, that's wave within wave. Now this becomes 1, this becomes 2, right? Then go for the 3, right? So you can also flip this to get the third target. That's wave within wave. But the overall wave, in the overall wave structure, this is theory of 1. If we assume this is a completed circle, this is a completed circle, beginning of another circle, right? Obviously this circle is not completed. You might go do 3, 5 before it completes, right? So you can clearly see this is and if I want to assume, I'll go after this complete, I can assume this is 1 of 3. A whole lot of wave stuff. You can clearly see this is 1, this is 3, this wave 3, right? That wave 3 might likely go in form of normally the waves according to that theory, right? So this one might just 3, right? 3, then the whole 1, 2, 3. So there's really nothing to worry about. You can dollar cost average. I think it's a good project. I think they are going to do well. Like if I want to track, please ask. If you have any question, please let me know. If I want to take a critical look at the footprint of the smart money using the work of Tom Williams, right? Volume spread analysis. I will just take a look at the volume, right? Obviously, this is accumulating. It's trying to pressure up, right? I don't have to push more. There's really nothing to push here, right? It's a good one. It's a good one, right? You can clearly see on today, the today price. Let me show you, right? Let me show you this. You can clearly see the today price action. What is this? This, you can call this whatever you want to call it, but this is selling climbers, right? Now selling climbers, right? This bar does not contain only sellers. It did not close off its low. If you had closed here, if you had closed around this level, right? If you had closed here, is healthy, because the next bar has to confirm is healthy by closing low. Now it closed deep, huge volume up, right? It couldn't close on its high, it couldn't close on its low, it closed on the middle, the next bar is up. Now this looks like a retest. It's retesting, it retested this region in a lower volume. Of course, this looks like I'm just trying to break this down. This look like automatic retracement, right? A arrow, automatic, is it automatic retracement? Wyckoff calls it. After buying climbers, you see a arrow, right? Then look out for ST, right? Then after ST, look out for spring, right? If you want to Wyckoff here, look out for spring. Then after spring, you can look out for a test again before it moves up, right? What we are just saying here, what I'm saying here is a rebreak of structure, right? A rebreak of structure, is that a good language to use? Yeah, why I said a break of structure is okay. Why I said that is right. Look very carefully, right? This structure going down, this is the 1 hour chart really. It contains a lot of details, right? Of course, it's ABC retracement. Of course, this confirms that it's ABC retracement. You're already seeing why this white off stuff around here, right? Okay, that is that. Of course, you can also see the footprint of I'm taking too much details for Akash. Akash is I love him. I like the fact that he comes at least to encourage me here, right? Thanks, Akash. I appreciate you are the reason I'm spending a lot of time here. You can see the footprint of smart money here in this volume, right? To break this all the liquidity that rests here, this volume took them hard, because took the price up. Now it's coming down to engineer more liquidity and more buying pressure, right? So you can clearly see this is selling climbers, right? You can see this is an old level also. The previous level that saw this huge buying is currently telling you that the lot of buyers that are here, they didn't think, they did not a lot of buyers that were here, right? They are still there. They think this is not the high. They are still here, right? This same level that you saw the huge volume, right? If I switch to what we call, if I switch to candlestick, you find out that there is another block here. If you want to consider, that's really not necessary. Focus on volume trend analysis alone. The guys that were here that bought this, they are still here. They are supporting what they bought here, right? Because it's going to roll over. Now, I was talking about mini structure. A lot of my chat is full with stuff that, okay, please just give me some time. I still have like 3 minutes question. Please, if you have any question, please let me know. Still have like 3 minutes. So the structure I was talking about is this, right? This structure going up was broken here, right? A rebreak of structure I meant when I said is rebreaking of, come on, a rebreak, come on, rebreaking of structure, come on. What I meant by rebreaking of structure is now this move going down, there's need to for the structure to break. That's what I mean by breaking of structure. Come on now. This move that came down, we need to see this, right? We need to see this, a break, confirm it, then move, right? Right? That's kind of jump across the creek, right? The creek below, right? Jumping across the creek. Of course, if we assume that the creek at the moment are this region, right? You need to move, is making effort to move, right? The latest 1 2 3 1 2 3, so the latest swing high is here, right? Latest swing high is here, right? It's making an effort. It came, it couldn't, it pushed down to engineer more liquidity. Probably this time around it's going to force a break. When it forces a break, the structure will now flip back to bullish from this structure, right? So it's engineering liquidity around this level. That does not mean that you just can't dollar cost average, right? If all right, any question, please, I will appreciate. You can take a trend line to monitor this and buy along, right? That's tracking the price by Ibrahim Wakwa. Thanks, Wakwa. Appreciate your work. Did a lot, right? Taught me a lot of things. I appreciate your work. Thanks, Ibrahim Wakwa. Wherever you are, appreciate a lot of work you did, right? I learned a lot from you, right? That's tracking the price. Of course, establishing the track. The price is moving, right? This is a track. So if you find support here along this trend line, it's going to go up. If it breaks this, it's going to go down, funny enough, if you test this is something that you can't just imagine how accurate it can be sometimes, right? Of course, you have to use your discretion. When it breaks, you watch out if the break is confirmed, candle closing below the trend line, retest, then boom, it comes down to your track, and just go back test, right? If you have time, if you know how to back test, just go replay. You find out that this stuff is really good. It's changed my life a lot. Thanks, Ibrahim Wakwa. Appreciate your work. All right, friends, in absence of any other, oh my God, a lot of questions. Please, Ankr, is Ankr pump or not? Please, Ankr pump or not? Please, Ankr token. Okay, Ashit, thanks for dropping by. Ankr is going to pump, right? But I'm not the one that's going to pump it. We need investors to come pump it, right? It's going to pump. But at the moment, right? Ankr is going to pump. It's going to pump when I don't know, right? Please, I already talked about Ankr, so you can go watch the video again after the stream to understand what I said. We don't have to go back to it again, right? I told you I've said a lot of stuff about Ankr, so just go watch when the live session finish. You can go back to watch the Ankr or ANKR, right? So it's definitely it's going to pump. Yeah, it's going to pump, right? It's on its way to pump, and it's going to pump as far as 50 cents, and of course another target of 80 cents. You can be sure of that, right? Because a lot of supporting argument, right? I showed you if I drop to, you can clearly see the footprint of this. I already shared this. I don't need to share this again. The footprint of the smart money is here. The volume, right? After the up bars, you know, the reaccumulated here. You can see it's gonna pump. It's gonna pump. It's gonna go do this for you, right? It's gonna do that. All right. Thanks for everybody who came. Thanks for Akash. I appreciate you. Hashid Sek. What? Hashid Sek. I appreciate you. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for your question. Akash Shama. Thanks for your question. I appreciate you guys. Thanks. I hope to do this with you guys again. All right, friends. You can smash the like button for me. Subscribe to this channel, of course. Turn on the notification bell to get all important information absolutely free. I appreciate you. Bye for now. See you again 9 p.m. West Africa.